Hello. Hello, let's make some chicken salad. Hello. 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 Let's make some chicken salad. Sounds good. Hello. Let's make some chicken salad. So I baked this last night. So, and it's already seasoned pretty well. We're going to put the chicken salad back in that bowl to store it. Anyway. This is herbes de Provence. Herbes de Provence. Okay, it's great. You can even see the little lavender leaves in it. It's just a blend of all different kinds of goodie deliciousness. Anyway, that's what's sprinkled on with some olive oil, salt and pepper. And I ate a Caesar, kind of a Caesar-ish chicken salad last night. So that's where the other piece of this chicken went. I got the salad on sale at Kroger for $1.25. It was still crunchy and crispy. I can't really use the dressing a lot though. I can use like a smidge one of it, but I have food allergies, so, and I'm going to try not to say that a lot, but anyway. Dump it in. So I dump it in kind of rough chopped. I always cut this thing off. I'm not sure what it is. It'll go in the garbage. Put it right there for now. Try to just shred it really thin. Of course, I've already washed my hands when I washed this celery. So, I'm not going to show all that stuff. You should know by now you need to wash your hands before you start cooking. Right? Aren't we old enough to know that? And no, hand gel does not count. Hand gel is when you're out in public and you touch something. It doesn't count to actually wash your hands with soap and water. Hand gel is in a pinch. Alright, so I kind of rough chop the chicken. I'm trying not to make this video like so long because it's really not a long process. So I dump it all in here, all in a bowl. Try to get all my herbage. Then I go through and kind of smear it with my hands. Just kind of shred it, you know. And it's really much better if you can do this when the chicken is warm out of the oven. I just wasn't in the stars for me last night to make chicken salad. Okay. Just kind of, dang it. You know. I know people use the beaters. I tried that one time, chicken went everywhere. I don't know if it was user error or what, but no. This works just fine for me. That way I can get any, I don't like fatty meat at all. I mean, like when I eat a steak, I like a fillet because it has hardly any fat on it. I don't stick a hunk of prime rib or a hunk of ribeye in front of me and that fat, Nope. Okay. There's that. Washing my hands. All right. That's 2 stalks of celery. I'm getting ready to cut the third one Sometimes I may add more. Yes, I'm using a paper plate for a cutting board. Because when I got my cutting boards out of storage, they were just kind of shady looking. I'm not going to put my food on something. I don't know. I had a couple, like wood ones and a plastic one or two, and I don't know. I just wasn't down. I don't know. They had a weird smell. I don't know. Do I need one more? I need one more celery. I like a lot of celery in my chicken salad. And this Bonnie Pack Organic, it's very good celery. It's so crisp. And it's kind of young celery, I think, because of the stalks are so skinny. Anyway, so I have forgotten to get one. I always say forget until I'm standing here using a plate. Then I'm like, Angela, go to Amazon, buy a cutting board. But I don't know. I feel like some things you buy, I can't buy online. Some things I need to look at, I need to feel, I need to touch. I'm weird about smell. 3 stalks of celery and 1.5 roasted chicken breast. Your cutting board can go over here now. Anyway, so do a little smoked paprika, not a lot, just enough to give a little depth of flavor. There's salt and pepper on the chicken already, but celery, yes, we need some salt. And this salt shaker doesn't, the holes are small. I guess it's good when you have a small hole, I don't know. Pepper. There is some, like I said, on the chicken, but the celery has none. This is probably what makes it so delicious in my eyes. It's horseradish sauce. It's the cream. You don't need much because it packs a lot of flavor, but it just adds that little depth. And I use Duke's as the only mayonnaise. All you Hellman people out there. What is that? 2 tablespoons? I don't use a lot of mayonnaise. But I use the heck out of some pickle relish. This is what makes it so good. I don't drink the juice. People are like, squeeze the juice out. No. So this is sweet pickle relish, sweet relish. Great value. Thanks, Walton's. So using more of the juice. Yes, I know that's a lot of pickle relish. I don't judge you. Don't judge me. Right? Okay, right? Okay, back to what we were doing. Pickle relish. Couple little dashes of horseradish. A couple of dashes of Texas Pete. I tell you, when I first discovered my food allergies, onion, garlic, whatever, I'll quit talking about one day. But I just have to reference it. This Texas Pete got me through a lot. I mean, a lot. Because I had to eliminate so many things from my diet to figure out what was going on. So, Texas Pete to the rescue. Now, I'm going to try. Sun-dried cranberries, walnuts. So I think a good salad, whatever salad you're making, doesn't matter if it's a lettuce-based salad or like a chicken, egg, whatever kind of salad, you've got to have some texture. In my opinion, anyway, walnuts, and this is this way. I don't mind if there's some chunks, you know. They are frozen, but they'll thaw quickly. I don't mind some chunks, but this is like too big of a chunk, so I'll eat it. Raisins. Measure with your heart. They get really plump. Yeah, a little bit more. Perfect. And that's what my heart said. A little more salt. All right. Let's give her a mix. Sorry, the lighting in here is so weird. I even have 2 ring lights going, but it smells delicious. I kind of cream it. I mean, I'll go through and kind of smash it. But chicken salad, any kind of salad stuff like this, it's always better the next day. Ooh. I have a weird thumb. Did y'all hear my neighbor upstairs? I'm like, do I walk like that? I need some more pickle relish. I can tell right now. Gross! I love it. Anyway, when you use like, you don't have to use so much mayonnaise, and I don't like necessarily like a dry chicken salad, but I don't like it spreadable. I don't like it pulverized to death, you know? I think this is going to do it. Let's try a little bit of everything. Delicious. Okay, well, it's been a few hours since I made my chicken salad. It's time to eat. It's getting late. And I want to sit down, and I'm watching the TikTok murders. So that should be fun. Before I go to bed, so I'm going to do chicken salad, of course. So, and I roasted that turkey, and I bought in one of my videos in a grocery haul. But there was something wrong with that SD card. It I don't know. I used it to take a friend of mine, took photos and videos at a friend of mine's wedding, and I took, I don't know, 600 photos and about, was it 4 hours of video? And her pictures turned out fine, and the videos turned out fine. And after, you know, anyway, I'm not a professional photographer, let me just preface that. But she's a creative, you know, she's a comic book reviewer on TikTok. And is this it? This is it. No, this is it. This is it. She's a comic book reviewer on TikTok, and her husband are so cool, and She's just been so nice to me. I met her when I went to work. She actually trained me at my job, at my current job. She was part of the training team. So anyway, my wedding gift to her, I took her photos and everything. But anyway, that's beside the point. Let me reel it back in. I digress. When I deleted everything off that SD card, and that's what I used to shoot my turkey and some other little things, video, some other little things. The whole entire, it was wild. I just got all this binary and all, anyway. So I've lost some video, but it is what it is. We move on in life. Can't cry over distorted videos, right? So I have a pear, an organic pear, and a delicious chicken salad. So I'm gonna clean out some of this. It's been in the fridge for a couple hours now, so it's gotten kind of marred together, all married together. All right, chicken salad. And I'm gonna put a little cranberry. Since there's craisins, I guess cranberry will be good on it too. It's just, you know, a little whole berry cranberry left over, right? Look how pretty this pear is. It's kind of hard. I just got them, I don't know, last week, just like a day or two ago actually. Organic produce and vegetables. I really just buy organic with the Dirty 10. Dirty 10. Anyway, I hope that's what it's called, the Dirty 10. And just pop that little seed pod out. I do buy organic chicken now, free range chicken. I don't know, they're out there doing their chicken thing. And it does taste different. And you know, cheap chicken tastes like water. I mean, it doesn't taste like chicken, it tastes like water. I guess they pump it so full of that. And keep in mind, I am single, I have no children, I don't take care of anyone but Angela, and I can spend a little bit of more money at the store. Unfortunately, it's still, the prices at the grocery store are absolutely insane. But I do buy grass-finished beef or grass-fed beef. This little crumble bacon I fixed yesterday. We have a little bacon moment. And let me take these out. Wassa crackers, crisp breads. They're a Swedish crisp bread. I guess that's all you do. Anyway, I like crackers with stuff like this, like a cracker. I don't like a sandwich with this kind of chicken salad. And anyway, beside the point, I love these Wassa crackers. They are absolutely phenomenal. Scissors. So they're my favorite way to eat. I don't know, I used to, so, what are they? Let's read the macros. 45 calories, no fat, no sat fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 65 mg sodium, 3%. Total carb, 11 grams or 4%. 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram of soluble fiber, and 2 grams of insoluble fiber. And it has 2 grams of protein. They're just really, people are like that. It's cardboard, Angela. You're eating cardboard. You're eating cardboard. I like cardboard. Let me show you how good they are. So let's just do this. A little piece of bacon. A little chunk of cranberry. Okay. They are satisfying because they're crunchy. Try them. You find them in the cracker aisle. You find them in the cracker aisles. I think I've seen them everywhere that I've shopped. Anyway, don't sleep on Wassa. Alright. I'm going to go and eat this while I watch the TikTok murders. I've never heard of these people. I'm not on TikTok. I don't know. Life is busy. I know I say that all the time. I like YouTube. I like Instagram. Facebook, that's my writer's page, so I go on there. But other than that, TikTok, it never stuck. I know that's one of the fastest ways you can grow your platform on social media. I just can't do all the things. And I admit I can't do all the things. So, thank you. Thank you for joining me today in my just little errand day. Sorry, I feel like I'm spitting food everywhere. But thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your time. And I still don't have a cool outro. Anyway, I'm going to go enjoy this chicken salad. Alright, thank you. And let's see. I'll see you in the next one.